In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you how you can use SpeedSense to minimize unnecessary alerts. This video is for Stinger users with a strip interface. You are driving on a road where the speed limit is 50 km per hour. But because it's busy in traffic, you are not able to reach that speed. And because speed traps will not bother you when you are driving slower than allowed, you don't want your Stinger to give you an alert. Your Stinger has a feature we call SpeedSense. SpeedSense makes sure that if you are driving slower than 30 km per hour, your Stinger will give a visual but not an audio warning. When later on you are driving 30 km per hour or faster, your Stinger warns you for speed traps and other traffic situations like it always does. If you want to change the default SpeedSense value, for instance if you want your Stinger to stay quiet under 50 km per hour instead of 30, you can do so in the settings of your Stinger. Check out the video tutorial on how you can change these settings. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.